She's doing busking.
To make money, she starts busking. Group storytelling. It's exactly what it sounds like. Taking turns, students have to tell a story. Advanced students can go around in a circle and add details to the story. With intermediate students, you should guide them through the story and give them elements to focus on. A long time ago, there was a lady living in a forest, and she had a house. What is the lady's name, and what does she look like? There was a lady in a forest, and her name was Ali. What does she look like?
She looks like monkey.
That's not very nice. Okay. Ellie lives in the forest. She looks like a monkey. What does she wear? What is she wearing?
T-shirt.
She's wearing a t-shirt. What color?
White.
A white t-shirt. In the forest, there is a monster. What does he look like? Is he big? Is he small?
Small.
Small, okay. How small is he? Like a small dog? Small as me?
Ant.
Small as an ant. Okay. How many eyes?
One eye.
One eye. How many legs?
4 legs.
And what else does he have? 2 horns. Wow. Does he have a mouth?
No.
No mouth. What does the forest look like? Is it big and friendly? Is it dark? Does it have flowers? Does it have many trees?
There is a lot of tree.
Yeah.
And tree have fruit.
The trees have fruit. What kind of fruit?
Cherry.
Cherry. Cherry. Okay. Ellie lives in a house. What does the house look like in the forest?
Very small.
Very small. How many rooms?
1 room.
1 room. Anything special about the house? Anything interesting?
The house have legs.
The house has legs. How many legs? 2? 4? Wow, everybody has 4 legs. Does Ali have 4 legs? Okay, the house has 4 legs. Now, Ali has a problem. What is Ali's problem?
She don't have any money.
She doesn't have money. She doesn't have money. Okay, she doesn't have money. So what does she do?
She's doing busking.
To make money, she starts busking. Once the students have completed their stories in their groups, place them in new groups where they will retell the story they created in their old group to the new learners.